Good evening, Dr. Abdallah. My name is Mungo Emelizia, and I'm here today to talk on Excel from what I understood in the video which was sent to us. So the video was all about a beginner's tutorial, how to start up in Excel and how to start up a spreadsheet, how to input data on a spreadsheet in Excel. So from what I'm learning in the video is that this all is a sheet or a work page, and these are the rows and the columns. This is a row, this is called a row. Sorry, this is a column. So like as I was saying, this is a row which is numerated by numbers, and this is a column which is written by letters. And the space between a row and a column is called a cell. This is a cell, this is a cell, and a group of cells is called a range. As in, this is a range. Okay, whatever is written here in the cells shows here. So whenever you write anything into these cells, let me just say friend, it automatically shows here on the bar. And I'll also show you how to write in a cell. This is cell. Let me say go to the next cell. Okay, and how to like put it in a capital letter or bold your writing. You just come here up to bold, highlight it and come to bold, and it is bold. In case you want the capital letter, you just come here. And in case you need more information or see more, you can just come here to view. You come to view, sorry, that was a mistake. You come up to view. Okay, in case you need anything, you come to view to see. When you click on view, you see all the informations are going to come out in case you need to arrange all. So because of time, I'm not going to say everything. I'm just going to say a few which I've already mentioned. Thank you for your time and thank you for everything. Have a blessed day.